there is something we have to talk about. We Yorùbás have been accused of intentionally bastardizing foreign names. And this is an age-long accusation that I think it's high time we dealt with. We have been accused of intentionally turning Peter to Peteru, John to Johanu, Kabir to Kabiru. Sulaiman has become Suleimono. We have turned Samuel to Samu, and Miriam has turned to Moriamo. My own father gave me Abdul Rashid, but I hated that name growing up because in the mouth of all Yorùbás, it is Rashidi. But you can't blame us. The truth actually is that it isn't intentional. And if you look at the causes, you would see clearly that it isn't our fault. Now, let us get into it. These Jewish and Arabic names are from the Middle East, which is very, very far away. Our tongue and languages are far apart. In the Yoruba language, for example, our words don't end with consonant letters, and two consonant letters don't follow themselves in one word. The Yoruba language obeys the laws of music. Our words enjoy an easy flow, and our consonants don't even obstruct our breath even when they come in between our words. Our vowels and consonants flow harmoniously with each other, and that is why we don't have hard words like obstruction, instruction, deduction, infraction, and what have you. That, to the Yoruba, is stress, and the Yoruba want no stress. We the Yoruba like to breathe. When two consonants follow themselves in a word, or when a word ends with a consonant, to the Yoruba it is like obstructing our breath. It is as if you want to choke us. The simple word class, for instance, is very difficult for a typical Yoruba to pronounce. When a typical Yoruba man says shop and he has to stop at it is as if he wants to choke. It is as if you are strangling him. The poor man has to release it. It has to be shop. Class is too difficult because in our words, two consonants don't follow themselves. So there is no way a typical Yoruba person will pronounce class. It has to be kilasi. The consonants have to be separated by vowels. That is why Peter has to become Peteru. The poor Yoruba man cannot stop at Peter and just hang there. No, he must release it. He must breathe. Peteru. Because we don't even have letter P in our alphabet. What we have is P. So we can't say Peter or Peteru. No, Peteru. And that is again why the word Muslim has to be Musulumi, because we don't want to suffocate. So when you hear us pronounce these names as Jacob, Bashiru, Basira, Lati, don't be offended. Those are evidences of an innocent people struggling very hard to speak a foreign language. These names aren't ours. No Yoruba person struggles to pronounce Ajadi or Temitayo. We only struggle when it comes to foreign names because they are not ours. And if you think my reasons are not reasonable enough, if you think it is so easy, very easy to pronounce foreign names, why not go give Yoruba names to Arabians and see how very beautifully they are going to pronounce the names? Washiri.